Japan is the third largest economy in the world. It is incredible to see how fast the country has grown, especially since it had to recover from the devastation it suffered during the World War II. Tokyo, the capital of Japan, is the world's most populated city. It can feel impossible to avoid the crowd or find a place to relax without queuing for a restaurant or getting stuck in a packed train. Whenever you are sitting in a traffic or riding the rush hour train, keep in mind it is likely much worse in Japan. Religion in Japan is a wonderful mixture of ideas from Shintoism and Buddhism. Religion in Japan is rarely preached nor it is a doctrine. Instead, it is a moral code, a way of living almost reflected from Japanese social and cultural values. Tokyo, being the capital of Japan, is one of the country's prime hub for entertainment, shopping, culture, and cuisine. While it boasts some of the country's most vibrant spots in Japan culture through temple, shrine, and garden. To clean is a part of education in many schools of Japan. Law and order is a big thing and it's important to learn this already as a child. That is why a lot of Japanese schools are making their students clean toilet, classroom and the school area. Japan is one of the world's most earthquake-prone countries. Due to the country's position along the Pacific Ring of Fire, where it lies across three tectonic plates, which is the most active earthquake belt. Around 1500 earthquakes strike the island nation every year, and minor tremors occur nearly every day. Japan is one of the safest countries in the world with almost no street crime. Japan's crime rate is so low it's basically non-existent. The Japanese are very honest people, reliable and law-abiding. Japan is extremely clean and at all streets are spotless and litter-free. The Japanese very seldom leave trash on the street. Additionally, volunteers of all ages clean the street for the simple reason that they want to live in a tidy city. Japan have the highest number of vending machines in the world. To every person there are approximately 23 vending machines. They are everywhere around every corner. A lot of restaurants have started to implement vending machines as well to let people order food, beverages and snacks. There are crazy amount of active volcanoes in Japan. In total, you can find 110 active volcanoes. 47 of these active volcanoes are actually closely monitored by scientists because they think there is a chance of an eruption. The Japanese diet is widely regarded as one of the healthiest diets in the world. The diet consists of traditional food items such as rice, fish, vegetable, and less fatty food richer in vitamins and minerals. The diet is one of the factors to the long life expectancy in Japan. Japan is one of the biggest seafood consumers in the world. The Japanese eat over 17 million tons of fish every year. The Japanese are the largest importer of seafood, which is a staple food for the Japanese and included in almost every meal. Japan has the busiest train station in the world. About 57% of the people living in Japan use public transportation, which create massive struggle. In fact, most of the railway operate at 200 over capacity. The city even hire transit pusher to stop body inside of train during rush hour. Unfortunately, Japan has one of the highest suicide rate in the world. The suicide forest is the second most popular place to commit suicide in Japan. The forest is located at a base of Mountain Fuji and is said to where most people enter and never come back. Japanese are extremely attached to nature. Most Japanese have a profound appreciation and love of nature. That is due to the spiritual belief of the Shinto religion. Shinto followers believe that everything in nature, from river and mountain to rock, are possessed by spirits. Mountain Fuji is Japan's most iconic landmark and a country symbol of natural beauty, making it one of the most famous places in Japan. This active volcano is Japan's highest mountain and has been worshipped as a sacred mountain.